Hi friends, welcome to 10 to Learn TNPC. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற சாப்டர் என்னன்னா டெமோக்ரஸி ஃப்ரம் 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 3 சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். லேர்னிங் ஆப்ஜெக்டிவ் என்னென்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா டு நோ த மீனிங் ஆஃப் டெமோக்ரஸி, டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் டெமோக்ரஸி, அப்ரிஷியேட் த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஆஃப் அவர் கான்ஸ்டியூஷன், இந்த எய்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் டெமோக்ரஸி என்னென்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பார்க்கலாம். வாட் இஸ் மீன் பை டெமோக்ரஸி? Democracy is the government of the people, by the people, for the people, by Abraham Lincoln. What is democracy? Similarly, the citizens of a country selected their representatives through election. Thus, they take part in the direct governance of a country. This is termed democracy. In a democratic form of a government, a considerable amount of power lies with the people of the nation. People can participate in the politics of the country and decision-making processes. There are different types of democracy. Types of democracy, they are direct democracy and representative democracy are the most popular forms of government. The birthplace of democracy is Greece. What is direct democracy? In a direct democracy, people have the power to frame laws. If we consider your sports club as an example, you can discuss and amend laws and rules. The perspective of each member is considered and each one expresses its view. But how will you take a final decision? The choice of the majority will be accepted. The others will also give their consent. In a direct democracy, only the citizens can make laws. All changes have to be proved by the citizen. The politician only rule over parliamentary procedure. Switzerland has had a long history of a successful direct democracy. What do you mean by representative democracy? On behalf of the other members, they obtain the power to take decision in a democratic manner. This is termed as representative democracy. Direct democracy divided into direct democracy and in a representative democracy, how the people to votes the law and rules. The people votes elected representative law and rules. Representative democracy, parliamentary democracy and presidential democracy. Under parliamentary democracy we have India and England. Under presidential we have USA and Canada. What is meant by democratic decision making? In the system of democracy, the power to take decision does not lie with the head. On the contrary, a group holds the power, but they adheres to the rules and regulation. All the members of the group hold open discussion and take final decision only when everyone is convinced. This is called democratic way of decision making. Are there rules and regulation to govern our country like the rules and regulation of this group? Yes. In a highly populated country like India, if people want to live peacefully, they have to follow in certain rules and regulation, rights and duties properly. Hence, the Constitution of India guides us in all these aspects and play an important role in maintaining law and order. Do you know? In 2007, the UNO General Assembly resolved to observe the 15th September as the International Day of Democracy. What are the rights given in our Constitution? Our Constitution ensures freedom, equality and justice to everyone. What other features are found in our Constitution? It defines the political principles, the structure of the government institution and methods to follow these rules and regulation, the powers and responsibilities, and also it fixes the rights and duties and the directive principle of the citizens. Thus, our Constitution provides a structure to us. Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. It is drafted by the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. That is why we call him as the chief architect of our Constitution. Aims of democracy. Democracy is defined as government of the people, for the people and by the people. In a democracy, the power is vested in the hands of the people. Further, the people should have rights to take decision. Everyone cannot participate in decision making. So the representative government elected by the people to form a democratic system. All those who attain the age of 18 are given by the voting rights to elect the representatives. At the same time, the representatives have the responsibility to protect the welfare of the people. World democracy. New Zealand is the first country to allow women to vote 1893. Voting rights to women were given in 1918 and 1920 in the UK and USA respectively. At the same time, the wealthy alone were given the voting rights in India. Many leaders like Mahatma Gandhi keep insisting on giving voting rights to all. Now in India, all the people above 18 years of age enjoy universal adult franchise. Do you know? The world's statistical data on democracy declares that 79% of the Indian citizens have faith in the democratic system. Hence, India ranks first among the democratic countries of the world. Oldest democracies in the world. Democracy period and location significance. Greek democracy 5th century BC. Location Greece. Significance foundation of political philosophy. Roman Empire's democracy 300 BCE to 50 BC. Italian peninsula Rome. Lots of expansion of the growth of civilization. San Marino's democracy 301 Italy. Earliest written constitution still in effect. The Iceland democracy 930 Thingvellir. Oldest and the longest functioning parliament in the world. The Isle of Man's democracy (ED) between Great Britain and Ireland. Self-governing position of the crown. British democracy 13th century England. Magna Carta of 1215. US democracy 1789. United States of America the oldest standing democracy. Glossary என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா What is democracy? A government formed by the people. Election. A process by which a representative is chosen. Decision to make up one's mind. Government. A group of people with the authority to govern country. Recap. Government of the people, by the people, for the people is defined as democracy. Direct democracy and representative democracy are the types of democracy. Our constitution ensures freedom, equality and justice to everyone. Indian constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. In India, all the people above 18 years of age enjoy universal adult franchise. Thank you. Don't forget to share, subscribe and comment. Welcome.